To enable voice to text on a POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first, let's say I'm gonna go to Google Messages over here, and if I want to say things out loud and I want them to be converted into a text, so then I can send a text message, what you can do is you can tap on the text message field, and then over here we should be able to find this microphone on the keyboard in the upper right corner of the keyboard. So you can tap over here, and if you do this for the first time, you will need to grant the permission for the keyboard to record audio. And as you can see, if I say things out loud, they are converted into the text. You can also tap on the microphone again in order to deactivate it, in case it doesn't do that automatically once you end your sentence. And in case you do not have this microphone, you can tap on these 4 squares on the left side, and then you need to find the settings button, which is this gear icon. And then over here you want to go to voice typing, and you want to make sure that voice typing is enabled. You can also enable faster voice typing if you want to. Leave a like and subscribe.